In previous video, I mentioned of any data type, which is one of the inbuilt data types in TypeScript. Now in inbuilt data types, any is a special data type, also the super data type of all data types. Now if a variable is declared with any data type, then we can assign any type of value to that variable at any point of time. Now you might be wondering, why do we require any? Alright, because it sounds like this any data type rips off all the benefits being offered by TypeScript. Yeah. So the thing is, sometimes we either don't have prior knowledge or are unsure of the data type of a value. This happens often when there are user entered values from third party libraries. Now, due to this uncertain dynamic nature, you can use the keyword any to declare said variables. Any data type is also useful when you're declaring an array which has mixed data types, or you're not sure about the type of values that can be contained in that array. So these are some of the use cases. So let's see all this practically. All right. So we start with explicit typing and we say let number colon any. All right. So now I can say number is equal to, let's start with boolean, so we say true. Okay, let's quickly log this to the console and we say number. Okay, now let's assign a new value and let's say this time 10. Okay, again let's log it to the console. No issues, you see we are not getting any errors. Okay, then we get number is equal to, and let's say this time we assign string. Okay, this works. You can keep on doing it. Now you can say number is equal to, absolutely no issues. Okay, and same way you can do object. All right, these are the different data types that we have seen this far. Okay, so let us also log this to the console. All right, now let me save this. All right, so you see first boolean, then we have got this number, right? Then we have got this array and we have this object. We missed printing the string, so let us do that in here. Save it again, run this, go back to the console, and now you see the string as well, right? Now, so if we just declare a variable with no type, TypeScript will give the variable a type of any. Let's see an example of the same. So you say let age, that's it. Okay, now if you just hover over this, what do you see? Let age colon any. All right, and now you can do the same thing with this as well. Okay, so just quickly do that. We say age is equal to 10, age is equal to true, age is equal to 5, like that. Okay, age is equal to this array. Okay, and age is equal to an object which contains name, and we just give it a name like this. Okay, now let's see any with array and objects. Let mixed array, and we say of type any, right, like this, and we initialize it with an empty array, right? And now you can do mixed array dot push, right? And now you can push, let's say we push test, this is a string, we say mixed array dot push, and we push the number this time, right? And same way you say mixed array dot push, and we push, let's say, boolean value, right? Everything is allowed. Now let's quickly log this to the console. Okay, and we say mixed array. Okay, so let me save this. The file is compiled. Now go back to the browser and you see test 10 and true. Okay, let's take an example of now object, and we say let person, okay, and we say colon, and then we assign an object, right? And let's define the properties: name of type any and age of type any. Okay, now a valid case would be, so by valid I mean semantically correct, all right? So you could say name could be let's say John, okay, and age let's say is 30, all right? So this is both syntactically and semantically correct, right? But now the problem, like we all know that we can assign any value to a variable of data type any, all right? So I can also say person equal to, all right, and I can say now let's say name is 30, and I can say age is equal to John, all right? No issues with that, all right? But this is not semantically correct, okay? So I just print this person, print it here as well, save it, file is compiled, go back, and you could see name John is 30. That makes sense, but you know this is not semantically correct. Basically, this any type is a powerful way to work with existing JavaScript, allowing you to gradually opt in and opt out of type checking during compilation. Convenient, isn't it? I mean, this is just like, it gives us the feel that we are working in JavaScript, all right? But well, you must remember that all of the convenience of any data type comes at the cost of losing type safety, and type safety is one of the main motivation for using TypeScript, and you should try to avoid using any when not necessary. So I'll see you in the next video. Thank you so much.